Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gravity with Sakshi. In this podcast, I have with me a content creator and an author, Vasil Manzoor from Kashmir.
Hi Sakshi, thanks for having me.
Hello, Vasil. How are you?
I'm completely fine. How are you?
I'm totally fine. Thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for having me.
So, Vasil, can you take us back to the your journey? मतलब कैसे सब शुरू किया आपने?
Well, that's interesting because when I started, it was all just to keep myself busy and keep my mind busy because there were so many things going on in my life and I didn't want to overthink about them. I am an overthinker and that's why I just want to keep my mind off it. So I started writing, I started making content. Back then it was Musically, then it got upgraded to TikTok. But I always have this thing that I write about things. I write about whatever I'm feeling because I don't think I have much people in my life that I can talk to. So that notepad and my journal, that's the only thing. Who knows what's going in my life?
Okay.
So basically, it was just a distraction. And I don't know when it became so much fun. And I connected to so many people by heart. I kept getting so many DMs that they can relate to my content, that they feel what I feel. They feel the same thing. And after that, I guess I just couldn't stop because there were so many people who kept relying on that content, who kept, waiting for my content. And we like as a community and like I don't consider them as my fans. They are just friends and family, every one of them, because people do not have people. Like I consider myself as a person who do not like have other people. We are kind of people who other people have. So back in 2016, I guess, it all started after my breakup. I was a kid, obviously, but we all start somewhere. So it was just a distraction, basically.
Okay.
And then I was with my friend. One of my friends was using TikTok, and we started making videos together. Then I changed my content because that's not what I was feeling on that time. It wasn't just about the videos. I used to write since I was a kid. I guess I was in fourth standard since I have been writing till date, and I guess it's fun. Like when you write your heart down. That's why I keep telling people that you don't need someone. Like you don't need someone to talk to because you have yourself. Just get up, look in the mirror, or just take a pen. You have a notebook in front of you, write it down. You have your phone. Like in this generation, we all have phones. There are notes in the phones. Just write it down, write your heart down. Because once you write those things out, you know what you're actually feeling. You don't get confused anymore. And आजकल की जनरेशन की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यही है कि they are confused. They don't know what they are feeling. They know the answer, but they are not
Yes.
ready to accept it. But
Yes.
once you write those things or you talk to yourself, you are sure about what you are feeling, and then you are ready to accept that answer. And I'm pushing on this point that everybody knows the answer. They are not just ready to accept it. But sooner or later they have to. अब किसी को कितना भी समझा लो, मैं कितनी भी वीडियोस बना लूं, मैं कितना भी किसी को समझा लूं, it's not gonna it's not gonna matter until and unless वो खुद को समझा ले. तुम्हें दोस्तों की जरूरत नहीं है, किसी को दोस्तों की जरूरत नहीं है, पहले खुद के तो दोस्त बन लो. Like
Well-
when you are, जब तुम खुद के ही दोस्त नहीं बन पाओगे, तुम किसी और से क्या दोस्ती निभाओगे?
सही बात है.
And I have said this many times that stop expecting things from people. Expect what you are giving out. किसी और से expectations रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. खुद से रख लो. हर्ट भी नहीं होगे बिकॉज तुमने तो अपना 100% दिया. उस चीज से खुश ही रहोगे कि मैंने तो पूरा ट्राई किया था. रिजल्ट जो भी हो. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट लव, रिलेशनशिप्स, स्टडीज, बिजनेसेस, कुछ भी. तुम अपना 100% तो दे के देखो. If it doesn't work out, God will open another door.
So you
As simple as that.
started as some fun things. The
It wasn't fun.
content-
It wasn't fun. It was just a distraction because my mind was really messed up as a kid.
Okay.
My childhood hasn't been really polite to me. I have had so many problems in my life since the beginning. And my I guess the only flaw I have in my eyes that I have anger issues. And I wanted those I didn't want that part of my life. I just wanted to keep it away because anger makes you a person you are not. So I started writing, I started making content, and people came up to me, people started recognizing me. Everywhere I went, people started recognizing that you are Vasil. And let's be honest, come on, it is kind of overwhelming.
Yes.
It is fun. But for me it wasn't fun. It was like I wanted to just went out, I just wanted to talk. Like mostly I'm talking to myself in that camera.
Okay.
Mostly right now I'm talking to you, but mostly I'm talking to myself in that, like when I'm making videos. I am reminding myself that these things happen. Just be chill. This is life. Life is really simple. हम complicate कर देते हैं life को. Like बहुत simple है. Life बहुत simple है. Like just accept what's happening.
So yeah, I agree with you. But right now, because all these relationship and love has some other meanings also. So what your takes on that? कि इतने time में आपका love और relationship को लेके क्या नजरिया बदला है?
I guess people need to understand one thing, that love is not restricting someone from doing some particular things. तुम किसी को एक पिंजरे में रख रहे हो and then you are telling other people that my girlfriend or my boyfriend is loyal. How are they loyal? तुम एक परिंदे को पिंजरे में रख रहे हो तो वो कहाँ जाएगा?
Obviously.
Let them roam around. If they come back to you, that is loyalty. That is what loyalty is. Like if they come back to you at the end of the day, they are waking up every day, they are choosing you over everything else. That's what loyalty is. तुम किसी को खूंटे से बांध के रखोगे. How is that loyalty? That is control.
Obviously. And I couldn't agree more because I've seen people around me, like really
Yeah.
in family, friends, कि they are like नहीं ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए या ऐसे ही रहा जाता है. Maybe girlfriend, boyfriends, and especially husband and wives, they keep checks on their spouses' phones and all, and कि नहीं है. अब जब options ही नहीं है, I think people have this feeling कि मुझे कुछ गलत नहीं करना, rather than कि मैं कुछ गलत नहीं कर सकती.
See, so many people have like ruined their relationships with people because of one thing. Trust. Right? Trust is a simple thing. Either you trust someone completely 100% or you don't trust anyone.
Yes,
ये
of course.
50% करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Either you trust them or you don't. If you cannot trust someone, then don't. It's as simple as that. Like अगर तुम्हें अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड पे या बॉयफ्रेंड पे शक हो रहा है, let them be. Leave.
Obviously.
Because there is no point of being with someone if you don't trust them. Like you have to trust them. If you are willing to choose choose that person, if you are willing to choose that person over everyone else, then trust them. If you have रत्ती भर का भी अगर आपको शक है उन पे, खत्म हो जाएगा वो, एक ना एक दिन तो खत्म हो ही जाएगा. Because that वो शक एक बन जाता है, ऑब्सेशन में बन जाता है. You will keep check on them 24/7. कहाँ हो, लोकेशन भेजो, ये करो वो करो. And this generation ruined everything.
Yes.
Every single thing. प्यार को बस एक there is no value of love in this. अभी the only love people that is pure right now, it's your own mothers and your own fathers and your sisters. Nothing else. बाकी सब एक trend बन के रह चुका है. Like we have to be in a relationship because it's trendy.
Yeah.
इश्क किसी किसी को होता है, मोहब्बत किसी किसी को होता है, जान दे देते हैं लोग एक दूसरे के लिए. That's what love is. And you don't have to fall in love with their perfections. Nobody is perfect. हर किसी में flaws होते हैं, हजारों तरीके के flaws होते हैं. And if you're accepting those flaws and you don't want them to change in any way, that's what love is.
I just it's reminding me that the same thing you said, the same thing my husband also said, कि if अगर आपको किसी से प्यार है और आप उसकी सिर्फ अच्छाइयों से प्यार कर रहे हो तो वो प्यार नहीं है.
They completely agree with this because हर किसी में कोई ना कोई, I won't say बुराई, that's a typical word, not बुराई, पर हर किसी में कोई ना कोई खामी होती ही होती है. In so many, it can be see, there are people who are not expressive, who cannot explain things. But सामने वाला ऐसा भी होना चाहिए कि जिसको उसके एक्सप्रेस किए बिना ही समझ जाए कि ये क्या बोलना चाहता है. ठीक है? That's what people don't do these days. उनको लगता है कि यार ये एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पा रहा है. Maybe they don't love me, but नहीं, उनको ये समझ नहीं आता कि यार
That's the way.
बोले बिना ही समझना. That's the purest form,
So
like
as
form
we
of
are
love.
talking about this, what you think the Gen Z's relationships and how they handle mental health or one side expectations, the Gen Z's.
I don't belong to this generation. I swear to God, I won't lie to you. I don't belong. Doesn't matter how many tattoos I have, piercings I have, curly hair. That's just how I wanted to be since my childhood. I have been like this. I have had my first tattoo when I was in 5th standard. तब तो कश्मीर में किसी को पता भी नहीं था कि tattoos होते क्या है.
Okay.
So I had my piercing for like 9 or 10 years now. मैं निकाल देता था घर पहुंच के, but अब I keep them because my family is okay with it now.
Okay.
Gen Z's की problem एक ही है. They have only one problem. When it comes to love, they don't accept. Relationship की 5 stages होती है. एक breakup की 5 stages होती है. First is denial. Second is bargaining. Then comes the pain. Then comes the then comes the depression, and then comes the
Last stage.
acceptance. But ये लोग ना denial पे ही रुके हैं. Why me?
Yeah.
Like उनके why me के चक्कर में like they are like why me? मेरे में क्या कमी है? And they just go to the clubs, whatever they do, they just go to the Instagram or to the clubs,
Or
pick
the
some other
next
girl or
one.
pick some other boy and just do whatever the hell they want to do, and that's their coping mechanism. But it shouldn't be like that.
Yeah, sure.
Your coping mechanism should be really simple. That accept if that person is not in your life anymore, they are not. Life doesn't stop for anyone until and unless you're breathing. Life won't stop for you. हर एक second जो चला गया वो चला गया. It's not coming back. Make every second worth it. तुम किसी के लिए कोई किसी के बगैर नहीं मरता. Rare cases, to be honest, rare cases. और वो भी तब जब सही में मोहब्बत होती है.
Yes. Universal truth.
Like life doesn't stop for anyone. So you just have to accept that if that person is not in my life anymore, okay, I love them. I have some pure moments with them. I have some pure memories with them. Look back at them. They should make you happy, not angry, not sad. They should make you happy. Like यार ये इंसान मेरी जिंदगी में था. And at a time, they made me so happy. They made me so peaceful. And now they don't want me anymore. It's gonna hurt. It's definitely gonna hurt.
Obviously.
And people these days, so-called Gen Zs, these days they have like to ease that pain they are in. What they do is like they take it to some other elements, like smoking something or doing some other things.
Yeah.
But that's not the way. कहते हैं कि like अगर तुम्हें तैरना है तो तुम्हें पहले डूबना सीखना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल.
Like when you drown, you will eventually learn to swim. So take the pain as like a ocean. You have to dive in it, and then you will accept it. एक ना एक दिन तो तुम तैरना सीख ही जाओगे. You will have to learn to live with that pain. That's the key.
So what do you think how one can learn or check that the love is real?
See,
What's
It's
your
a-
take? I mean,
what's
personally.
my take?
Yes.
You want me to be honest?
Yes, sure.
You cannot know that until your last breath. You cannot know
Yeah.
that.
There's no way.
There is no way. There is absolutely no way. कौन कब बदल जाए, you don't know that. But as I said, you have to keep trust on your love, the love you are giving out, not the love you are receiving. You have to keep the faith on your love. जब तुम अपने प्यार से expectations रखोगे, जब तुम अपने प्यार से expectations रखोगे, you won't get hurt. जब तुम किसी और से expectations रखोगे, obviously everyone in this world is gonna hurt you. Everything is gonna hurt you somehow. It will hurt you.
So you agree with Shahrukh Khan कि एक तरफा प्यार की कीमत क्या होती है?
See, when you love someone like from a distance, there are high chances that you won't get hurt. That is true. Why? Because you do not expect anything. तुम्हें पता है like इसको तो पता भी नहीं है क्या I have something for him or her.
Yeah.
So whatever they do, it's not gonna hurt you. When a person comes into a relationship, पहले they are all jolly. Like, हाँ baby, हाँ वो ये. But there comes a time when things get boring, and they will. After 1 year, after 3 months, after 5 months, after 2 years, even if you are getting married, things will get boring.
Yes.
You just have to
eventually.
explore new things every day. Talk to your partner. Talk about anything. Bitch about anything. Gossip. Like if you're working, gossip about the work. Keep them interested. like, and they should do the same, not the like, it shouldn't be like from one side.
Yes.
It should be from the both sides, right? So that people have stopped doing. They think that हम ये क्यों effort करें सिर्फ, you know, like effort should be from both sides. एक side से, एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है, like if you are getting married to someone, उनके साइंस के बगैर तो तुम शादी नहीं कर सकते ना. So how do you think a person is gonna be with you if you are not making efforts for them? तुम पहले तो efforts कर रहे हो, then तुम्हें लग रहा है कि like the person is with me now, अब तो कहाँ ही जाएगा.
हाँ, obviously. And most of the people think like that way.
यही तो दिक्कत है आजकल की जनरेशन की, कि उनको लगता है कि we have like, पहले तो बहुत हाथ पैर मारते हैं उस इंसान के लिए, like they fight so hard to get that person, but once they do and they think अब तो ये मेरे बगैर नहीं रह सकता, अब तो कहाँ ही जाएगा. But they don't know that every day they neglect them, they are losing a part, like they are losing a part, the other person is losing a part जो बहुत value रखता है. You know, they will start losing feelings rapidly. One day you will tell them जाओ, and they will say okay.
Because इतना भी किसी को नहीं करना चाहिए कि एक वक्त के बाद फर्क ही पड़ना बंद हो जाए.
You know, people get numb एक टाइम पे आके.
Eventually.
जब तुम किसी को इग्नोर करते हो, जब तुम किसी की फीलिंग्स को इग्नोर करते हो, जब तुम किसी के इमोशंस को इग्नोर करते हो, पहले तो वो बहुत फाइट करेंगे, यार समझ ले मेरे को, समझ ले प्लीज समझ ले. बट एक टाइम आएगा when they will just get numb. They will just stop. They will be like, अब इससे बुरा क्या ही हो सकता है.
Do whatever you
want to do. And one day they'll just leave. Because उनको फर्क पड़ना बंद, उनको पेन होता, like उनको like हर दिन उनको पेन होगा. Once they leave you, उनको तुमसे ज्यादा तकलीफ होगी. But
they are ready for it.
they are ready for that pain because they have learned to swim in that ocean of pain.
Yeah. So Vasil, tell me about your book also. कैसे publish कराई? What was your state of mind that?
That's a funny story actually. So we have a studio back home,
Okay.
and Fahim is one of my close friends. He's like a big brother to me.
Yeah.
And he was there, and I told you I've been writing since I was in 5th standard.
Yeah.
So there are like, my notes are full of everything and so many ideas in my head. My head is a mess basically, and all the time ideas coming out of it. So he was there for like with my friend, and they were planning to release a book.
Okay.
So we got to talking, and then I told him about my idea. Like, I have an idea in my head, like I want to publish this book. And he said, okay, let's do it. And I was like I was in shock. I was like, what? When? It's like, whenever you want. And I still remember that when we started working on that book, he made me sit down in his home with the whole team, him and me and the whole team. We didn't take any break for the whole night. Raat ko, we started working on that book 8 o'clock. Subah morning mein it was ready.
Really?
हमने एक रात, like वो content तो हमारे पास already था, like content ideas, content already, but to get all that together, हमने एक रात में वो पूरी book complete कर दी थी. It took us more than 12 or 13 hours to complete that book because ideas तो हम दोनों के head में already थे. उसके पास भी ideas काफी थे कि कैसे इस book को, how we have to introduce it. So we just went with it, and it was so fun. I remember that whole night, like, I remember every second of it. Like, I slept. I literally slept, and they were working, and I was like, Sone do. It's getting too much now. But morning tak we were both awake. The whole team was awake, and the book was ready in the morning. Then it went to publishing. It took a month to get the rights and all that. And after a month, the book was out, and we got some really, really, really good response on that book.
How did you decide the title of the book?
The title, I guess, the book is titled The Reality Checks We Needed.
Yes.
And I guess people needed those reality checks. More like it was me who needed those reality checks. Like, so badly. And I somehow, somewhere, I thought like people need it as well. Because I told you in the beginning of this podcast that, people already know the answer, but they are not just ready to accept it. So I guess that book helped so many people, the people who have, read it.
Okay.
I have got so many texts that it helped in ways you cannot imagine. And I'm really glad that.
So as being the content creator, so I would really want some of your favorite quotes also.
My favorite quotes.
Yes.
I guess this is one of my favorite कोट्स
Okay.
कि वो मेरी रूह की चादर में आके छुप गया ऐसे, रूह निकले तो वो निकले, वो निकले तो रूह निकले।
Okay. So, Vasil, one more, please.
देखूं तो हर एक भीड़ का हिस्सा हूं मैं, सोचूं तो एक भी शख्स यहाँ मेरा अपना नहीं।
तुमने हंसने वालों को रोते हुए कहाँ देखा है? जब वो रोते हैं तो कांधे नहीं, कोने ढूंढते हैं। So, thank you, Vasil, for joining me today. And thank you so much for coming all the way from Kashmir. And we had a really fun conversation.
Yeah, we did.
And we hope we'll create some great content
Sure,
afterwards
inshallah.
also.
Sure.
Thank you guys for watching this podcast. I hope you enjoyed it.